Hi, I'm Travis from Bil-Jax, and today I'm going to show you how to unload an EZ-Rax system.
When you are ready to start your project and unload the EZ-Rax, follow these steps to prepare for assembly. First, on the frame side of the EZ-Rax, loosen the 10-foot strap attached to ring A and B. Then, unhook the strap from ring A and ring B. Set strap aside so as not to misplace. Second, on the caster side of the EZ-Rax, loosen the 6-foot strap around the walkboard section attached to ring C and ring D. Then, unhook the strap from ring C and ring D. Third, loosen the second 6-foot strap around the outriggers attached to ring D and ring E. Then, unhook the strap from ring D and ring E. Set strap aside. Next, remove the snap pin from the bracket and support tube. Remove the bracket and set aside. Then, secure snap pin back in place on the support tube. Last, remove the snap pin from the outrigger latch support tube. Rotate latch open. Then, secure snap pin back in place on the support tube. Please note, if the ratchet strap comes apart, follow these steps. Feed the end of the strap through the lower slot in the handle ratchet coming up from the bottom. Pull up so more strap is available. Then start ratcheting by pulling the handle. Now you are ready to assemble the scaffold rolling tower.